Okay, one more thing that I'm going to show you is how to do a noise reduction. I have my mic not plugged in because that way you can hear this. I'm using Sarah Ward's narration from a few years ago. You can hear in the background of her thing that there's a little bit of humming. I don't know if you'll be able to hear it on this recording, but let's try it. She's breathing in, but you also hear like a whirring, a high-pitched whirring in the background. I'm going to grab a little piece of what looks like to be that noise here. I'm going to go to Effect, I'm going to go to Noise Reduction, and then I'm going to hit Get Noise Profile. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to double click on this whole track. I'm going to go back to Effect, back to Noise Reduction, and then I'm going to hit OK, and it'll tell me that it's applying the noise reduction, and you can see that space that was relatively flat is even flatter now, and if I click on it, it's not quite as loud.
I thought it would be more people, but it sounds like it was like just me that was woken up by the.
And so the noise reduction works a little bit. It works better if you have a larger section of room tone, so that's why I asked you to get like 10 to 30 seconds of just the tone, the humming in the room when you were recording your interview. It'll also help, this noise reduction will help when you're doing back and forth between, say, your narration and the recording at wherever you did your interview. It'll start to pull those two things together, and also normalizing and equalizing, normalizing and compressing will do the same thing as well.